Morning, Facebook and maybe YouTube channel land. I don't know if I'm loading up on there. I can't decide. I just thought I'd share a thought with you while I was on my early morning Sunday walk. So Friday night, me and my sister were somewhat tipsy, not that drunk, but drunk enough. And at the end of the night, we decided we'd go out somewhere to get something to eat. And we ended up going to 24-hour Tesco's. And so obviously, moderately tipsy shenanigans occurred through the supermarket, including spontaneous buying and stuff. And I was telling a friend of ours this, and he was like, that's pretty cool. You know what should be 24 hours a day, opening hours, is hardware stores like B&Q and stuff. He was like, because, people get drunk and they do spontaneous purchases of stuff. They'd probably make a killing. And I was like, yeah, man, that's actually true. Because, you get drunk and you go, oh my God, I've always wanted this tool. And then you look at the next day and go, okay, why the hell in my living room is there a fence post excavation tool? You ever see one of those? They dig a hole straight down. They're pretty cool. Anyway, but I'd never want one, and nor would I use one, and I probably shouldn't be allowed to touch one ever. But anyway, so you wake up the next day and you're like, there's this tool. It's in my living room. I have no idea why. For a start, I live in a flat and have no bloody garden anyway. And secondly, possibly more disturbingly, it has clearly been used multiple times, and I have no memory of where I've been. That would be brilliant. I think that's great. B&Q should definitely open 24 hours a day, and then other stores would have to follow to make those options. And they were killing, selling random stuff to people who then go on and use power tools drunk. Okay, maybe that part should not be advertised quite so strongly, but I just think it would be funny, wouldn't it? Come on. Right, have a good Sunday, people.